chamber, push, and bring it back. The side kicks, wherever you kick, the opposite leg is going to go into that direction. You need to really be careful and save your knee. So you need to angle your heel to that side wall. You're going to bring your toe up, your knee in, and you kick it straight out. That's your side kick. That's with the side of your foot comes in and out. Again, you set it up, bring it in and kick. That's your side. The roundhouse, you set it up also. The heel's going to come around the front. You bring the knee up. You try to keep it from your shoulder, your hip, and your knee all together, and you just flick your leg as if you're clearing off a tabletop. So you come up, snap, and bring it back. We have back kicks. You just simply look behind you, lean forward, and shoot behind you. That's your back kick. You come in and shoot back. Again, the class is really for everyone. Everyone has a great time. We hope you come out and join our class. I think you're really going to love it.